All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, with another delicious recipe today for all of those of you that have a sweet tooth. Hey, let's try to make hot versus cold in the chocolate style. Only here in Hey Bartender. Please stick around. Let me show you how we do it. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? Very simple, you guys. We've been trying to experiment with which one it will be the best recipe for it, and then we've been failing and trying and failing, and I think we finally come up with something really good. So here we go. What we're gonna need, 6 ounces of milk. We're gonna need some Hershey's cocoa, and we're gonna need 2 tablespoons. And this is the unsweetened version, and you will see why in just 1 minute. Also, we're gonna put 2 ounces of Baileys. And we're gonna heat up our milk. So, how hot our milk should be heated up? Well, it's gonna be 165 degrees, you guys. But for those that you don't have one of these fancy machines, basically just put them in a pot, heat it up, and just put a thermometer into 165. If you have one of these guys, basically, well, sometimes what we like to do, baristas and stuff like that, we like to put our hands around the actual thing and just wait until you cannot hold it anymore, because of the heat. And we gotta give it some time. All right, so now my hot chocolate is really nice and hot. Get your bar spoon and just stir a little bit just for whatever powder is remain on top. By the way, I would like to talk about this amazing espresso machine. I've been having it for about, I don't know, probably what, baby, like a year and a half. And it's been great. This is the DeLonghi espresso machine. And this is perfect, to make your lattes, your cappuccinos, your espressos, or your hot chocolate in this case. All right, let's rectify the sweet right here. Okay, so for those of you that like an extra little sweet, okay, my lovely wife, it was experimenting last night, and she came up with this cinnamon and vanilla simple syrup. So basically what she was doing, it was 1 cup of water, 3 cups of sugar, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And it's amazing. So let's go for, I don't know, half of an ounce. Pardon de más. Let's give it a little extra stir. That is absolutely delicious. All right, let's pour it in a nice mug. Ooh, I want to drink this right now. A little bit of whipped cream. And if you come across with a little stick of a Hershey's chocolate, the regular one, just use a micro grinder and put your garnish on top. So this is gonna be your hot cocktail. Now, for those of you that like things cold, this is really, really good as well. Let's go for 2 ounces of vanilla vodka. One ounce of Baileys. And we come across with this little guy. It is Mozart chocolate cream, or you can go for the Godiva chocolate cream, dark one, not the white, the dark one. Either one is gonna be perfect. And let's go also for 1 full ounce. Let's get some ice. Check. All right. Let's demonstrate and catch all those little pieces of ice. And to garnish this little guy, same thing, basically your chocolate stick. And just put some chocolate sprinkles on top. All right, there you have it, you guys. Hot versus cold with the chocolate. Please be safe, be smart, have fun, and enjoy. Cheers.